January 13th, 2021 Fluency. Select two statements that are true. So we are going to select two statements that are true. So let's take a look here. For the first one, 65 and 91 hundredths, minus 15 and 24 hundredths. When we subtract, we do have to line up our decimals. Let's subtract that. 9 is going to have to become an 8 to make that 1 an 11. 11 minus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, it's going to be 7. 8 minus 2, 8, 7, 6. Drop that decimal. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 50 and 67 hundredths is on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. And we have 2,139 divided by 3. 3 cannot go into 2, but 3 can go into 21 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract, we get 0, bring down that 3. 3 can go into 3 one time. You get 3, subtract, you get 0, bring down that 9. 3 can go into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9, subtract, you get 0. Nothing else to bring down. No leftovers, so 713 is our answer here. Now, this says it is greater than, it says that the right side is greater than this left side. So it's saying 50 and 67 hundredths is less than, so remember the bigger mouth eats the big number. So that means they're saying that this is the bigger number, which yes, it is. So that is going to be one of our options, or one of our choices, I should say. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the next one and see if that is true as well. So we're going to have 6 times 7 and 31 hundredths. I'm going to line that up to the right. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. Carry that 1, drop that 8. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 1 is 43. The decimal goes in 1 in 2. Decimal in 1 in 2. So our answer is 43 and 86 hundredths. All right, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the next one. We're going to add. So when we're adding, we do have to line up our decimals. 456.89 plus 34 and 9 thousandths. We can put a placeholder 0 there. When we add, 0 plus 9 is going to be 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 0 is 8. Drop that decimal like it's hot. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. So we have 490 and 899 thousandths. So this one is saying that this left side is the bigger number. That's not the bigger number. The bigger number is 490, not 43. So it should be this way. It should be that way. So it should be that way. All right, let's take a look at the last one. So it should mean that the last one is correct. Let's double check. All right, so 5 and 4 tenths times 6 and 2 tenths. 5.4, 6.2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Done with that 2. Put a placeholder 0. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. Add 8, 4, 3, 3. In 1, in 2, in 1, in 2. 33 and 48 hundredths. And then last but not least, when we subtract, we do have to line up our decimals. 99 and 18 hundredths minus 65 and 7. We can put a placeholder 0 there. 7 tenths is our 17 hundredths. Now we can subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 1 minus 7 we can't do, so that 9 becomes an 8 to make this 1 and 11. 11 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 4. Drop that decimal like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 8 minus 5 is 3. 9 minus 6 is also 3. So we get 33 and 4800ths. Are those equal? Yes, they are. So we are going to check that. Woohoo! And we actually did it with our fluency. Great job!